Namaskar. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel ji, Honorable Tourism Minister Shri Mulu Bhai Bera ji, Mr. Vineet Jain, Managing Director of the Times Group, and all the very distinguished dignitaries and all of you loved members of the media. I have a speech in front of me, but I think when it comes to Filmfare, with me it really works on an emotional level. मुझे अभी भी याद है जब पहली बार मैंने अपना पहला Filmfare Award जीता था. It was in the year 99 for a film of mine that released in the year 1998. मैं बहुत नर्वस था. It was a very competitive year. बहुत सारी फिल्में थी उस साल और मुझे अभी भी याद है मैं अपने पिता के साथ बैठा हुआ था and I was very stressed क्योंकि कैटेगरी आ रही थी बेस्ट डायरेक्टर की. तो पापा ने मुझे मुड़ के कहा कि बेटा 11 बार गायत्री मंत्र याद कर लो, कह दो और ये अवार्ड शायद तुम्हारे मिल जाएगी. तो मुझे वो पल, वो लम्हा बहुत खूबसूरती से याद है. And I remember what it meant to me to win my first Filmfare Award. Because as a filmmaker, as a member of the fraternity, a Filmfare Award is not just a recognition. It's beyond an award. It is actually for us in the industry, it's an emotion. Because it is the most archived film award, going back 70 years. Can you imagine जब आपका नाम इतिहास में जाता है? It's with the greats, Bimal Roy, Raj Kapoor, Gurudutt Saab, Dev Anand, Dilip Kumar, Madhubala, Meena Kumari, Nutan, the kind of names, Lata ji, the kind of names that are there in the archives of the Filmfare Awards. और जब हमारी फिल्में नॉमिनेट होती हैं या हम जीतते हैं, तो हमारे लिए वो पल ऐतिहासिक होता है. Because you are basically enveloping and embracing nostalgia. That's how important Filmfare Awards is to all of us. And last year, I had the honor, the pleasure, and the privilege of hosting the 69th Filmfare Award in the beautiful, respected state of Gujarat. For that, I have to thank all the absolutely respected members and dignitaries on this illustrious panel for allowing us and opening your hearts for us to come to the beautiful state of Gujarat and host the 69th Filmfare Awards here. And I believe in continuance, because in continuance there lies legacy. We are here for the second year. That means that that experience was so embracing and emotional for us कि हम फिर से इस साल वापस आना चाहते हैं for our 70th year at Filmfare. And when I say our, because I consider myself a part of the Filmfare family. पहली बार जो मैंने host किया था, that was in the year 2000, and it was the first time I had ever hosted. It was a Filmfare Award. 25 साल से मैं host करते आ रहा हूँ, and I'm still at it as a host. And that means that it was Filmfare that began my journey. And I hope that journey never stops, because there's nothing more beautiful than standing on that illustrious stage and sharing the platform with the most talented members of your industry. Thank you very much. Today when I saw the signing between these beautiful sunflowers, it took me back to a line in a song कि फूल भी हो दरमियाँ तो फासले हुए, लेकिन यहाँ फासले नहीं, हम करीब आ रहे हैं. So I regret to not agree with the lyrics when it comes to our signing. And the thing about Filmfare is that it will go beyond all of us. Because it is how Raj Kapoor Saab said कि कल खेल में हम हो ना हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा. So beyond us, Filmfare will live on. The legacy of Filmfare will live on. And again, I'd like to thank everyone here for allowing us to come back into your hearts and into your homes. Thank you, Gujarat, for welcoming us. And thank you, Filmfare, for giving me this opportunity.